Alright, this is the YouTube channel of Thousands Automotive Limited. This is the owner speaking, Mr. Thousand. I am mostly based off mechanics and those stuffs. I will be doing mechanics on a 1982 Honda cx500 that I own. BTW I'm 14. I'm maybe illegal at this moment, so I don't really want to show my identity. My identity is private for now, I guess. Okay, that's my intro. Please subscribe. Okay, this is my 1982 Honda cx500 Custom. This is a very old motorcycle. Cheaper than ever. I can tell you it's worth it. As you can see, it's night now. I don't really work at night because of problems and situations. Just doing a nice video on it.